Disabling biometric login on your Telus device can enhance your privacy and security. Follow these simple steps to turn off this feature. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your Telus device. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Step 2. Select Security. In the Settings menu, scroll down and find the option labeled Security or Biometrics and Security. Tap on it to access biometric settings. Step 3. Choose Biometrics. Look for the Biometrics option within the Security settings. This section will display the current biometric methods enabled on your device. Step 4. Disable biometric options. Select the biometric option you wish to disable, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. Follow the prompts to turn off the selected feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the isshraq.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Now you have successfully disabled biometric login on your Telus device. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the settings or consult the user manual.